don't think anybody on this call or anybody who would be following this profit jump starter movement wants to be normal or wants to be a general consumer. We all want to think like entrepreneurs and elevate your money. A big part of being wealthy is not just how much money you make, it's how much money you are able to keep, right?
Keep. Exactly.
So so reality of it is there are multiple ways to make a ton of money. And if you know what you're doing using strategies, real estate being one of them, and I'm sure many others that the doctor can speak to, there really won't be much tax implications for you at the end of the year. It's just about educating yourself,
Exactly.
planning, and positioning for that time, right? So there's a lot of time. Last year, I had to run and buy a vehicle before December 31st. Why? So I could
Because
get, you know what I'm talking about,
I know
right?
it.
So,
Yes.
Exactly.
so
Yeah, you saw the rich people in my talk. They're talking in code. Yeah, so I had to buy 31st because you know what I mean, right? You know.
but
Yeah,
it's
but
it's
these are the
it's
conversation we need to have. I really so. So Xander wants us to break down what a BOJ CD is. Anybody can who want to take it, and then I
what
can
is it?
jump in.
Certificate of deposit, correct?
Deposit.
Right. So the BOJ offers them, you go to your investment company, you ask them to invest in a BOJ CD. They're offered every month. They have different terms, 30 day, 60 day, 90 day. But essentially, it's a nice short term type investment. You get very good returns because interest rates are higher now. So the rates I'm seeing on BOJ CDs are like 10%, 11%. So you get good return, much better than a saving account. But the money is locked in for the 30-day period. You have to wait until after 30 days they can access it. So Xander, it's good for emergency type funds. When parking money in there in between in investments, it makes sense to do because you're getting a better rate than you would get in your saving account. So I hope that answer your
And
question.
annualized interest also. So
Right.
these really work well for you if you have money that you don't need to touch for a little while.
Mhm.
That's when you really realize it. A 30-day, you're gonna see about 1% or 0.75% on your money because it's annualized interest, but still something.
All right. We have a question over IG. People pushing for know the offer make the money. So Amanda is saying, what if you have a million? So I'm gonna have 15 million. Me not reach the yet. But if I have a million, how can I flip that? Because everybody love the flipping. Wayne and Dr. Kesha go, yeah, flipping all day, every day, flipping. $1 million then. Something more, more people may have $1 million or a lower amount. Where to do with the 1 million? Same thing or a different strategy?
I would look to partner with somebody on something bigger. I would look to kind of um, do whether it be a real estate investment or it's going to be a business or it's going to be, you know, but partnering with somebody is also a way of elevating. If the money that you have available to you is limited, um, you can be a part of something bigger, right? It's better to have a 10% of a watermelon and 100% of a grape, you know.
True. Say that partner with somebody and get it done.
Yeah, I mean, I can't tell you specifically that, hey, I'll take $1 million and turn it into $10 million by doing this, but I'm sure networking with the right people and constantly seeking out opportunities will lead you to where you need to be. Opportunities everywhere. You just have to be looking for it.
All right. True. That's very true. Dr. Kesha, what would you do?
For me, there are small investment types, so I would look at getting into. I agree with Wayne as well. I would look at getting into something with somebody and actually splitting that, or finding an asset that I could actually sell. There are some vehicles that you can turn around quickly. You get it for there are certain vehicles that you can get from of the website, and then you
Feed
just
forward.
that money. Yeah, so you can use that and flip it as well.
Which way? What
So
website? What the website? Because I'm gonna
I
get the
mean,
question.
there are sometimes that the customs have those vehicles that are there for that.
Oh,
Like, so for $1 million, I might be able to get one of those vehicles that them call hot bread. And when you go there, the persons that you can get a 300,000 on that. But
That's
the
30%.
customs and so have it at a lower value. You go, you bid on it, you get that for the value that you have, and you flip that quick. People want it for taxi and put in rental. So you want to do the rental of the car and so on. You flip that quick. You get a 300,000 off of that, or a 250.
so I'm just going to ask now before they jump in. Where do persons find you? Both of you, because that's going to come next time. Let me just ask a question before it comes, because you give them a next idea now. You man say, just go down to the wharf. They're going to do this and this ain't even do. They're going to be like, yeah, so I need to call it tomorrow morning. Oh, exactly. But do that. And they pay for a consultation with you too. So where they find you? I'll start with you, Dr. Kesha, and then Wayne, you share. Where can persons find you?
So I am at physical location is Suite 204, Real Equity Professional Suites. We're at 218 Mountain View Avenue, Kingston 6. We also have an office in Montego Bay at the Half Moon Plaza. Yes, we're in the Half Moon. We're in the Half Moon Plaza in Montego Bay as well. And our telephone numbers would be 876 754 3748.
Say it again.
It's 876 754 3748.
Thank you very much. And then Mr. Wayne Brooks.
The easiest way to reach me is through Instagram. It's at Wayne Brooks REI. I'm very active on there, and I'm always responding to messages. And you can go on my website, waynebrooksrei.com, if you want to like book a consultation regarding getting started in real estate or any type of assistance you may need. But yeah, those are the two easiest ways to get a hold of me.
All right, we're gonna bring that up to Wayne Brooks REI on Instagram. So we'll get the questions because people, I realize we have a lot of persons picking the expert brains, but everyone, please note, Dr. Kesha Christie and Mr. Wayne Brooks are going to be at the Build Wealth Conference, August 16 to 18. May I bring them in the room? So you have to come to the conference. You can get their undivided attention for much longer than you have here. You can pull them aside and say, hey, so guess what? How me do this? What we need to do? And actually have those personal conversations.